Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. It's important to have these ready before you begin the process. First, ensure that your Conga 1190 is powered off and unplugged. This is a crucial step for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove each screw. Keep them in a safe place to avoid losing them during the process. As you work, you might want to use a magnetic tray to hold the screws securely. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the casing. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. With the back panel removed, you'll now see the battery compartment. The battery is typically secured with additional screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember, if you don't have the tools, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can avoid the hassle of going out. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the battery from its connector. It's advisable to take a moment to clean the internal area with a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol. This prevents dust accumulation and ensures optimal performance. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Align the connectors carefully and push them together until you hear a click, indicating a secure connection. If you're unsure about which battery to choose, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you select the right one. Secure the new battery in place with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tight but not overly tightened to avoid damaging the components. Once the battery is secured, replace the back panel of the device. Align it properly and press down until it fits snugly. Reinsert the screws to ensure the panel is held firmly in place. Remember, no calls, no travel, you can get expert help from us anytime. Finally, power on your Conga 1190 and ensure that it operates as expected. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We always provide a quote before repair so you know what to expect in terms of cost. This concludes our step-by-step guide for changing the battery in your Conga 1190. Following these instructions will help you maintain your device efficiently and effectively. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.